Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix kernel power ID 41 critical error in Windows 11. 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Power. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Third method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Change Advanced Power Settings. Change hard disk turn off after 20 or below. Fourth method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change what the power buttons do. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. Fifth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type dism.exe /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.